Hello, my name is Washington. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Peru and I'm a chef. I studied to be a chef at Blue Ribbon International School. I worked for almost 2 years at the Belmont Company, where I had opportunity to work at the Monasterio Hotel, Haramingan, and the Explorer Train, where I worked as a cook doing the mise en place and cooking the main dishes. Then I started to work at Ukuku's hostel, where I'm still working as a chef, where I supervise the production and elaboration of the menu. Now I'm going to make one of the flag dishes from Peru called ceviche. First, we start cutting the fish in cubes, the size. The onion also cut in juliana. The ají limo en brunoise. The cilantro in chiffonade. And we keep, we keep them there for a while. We add salt and white pepper on the fish. Mix. And then we let the fish repose. After that, we are going to do the leche de tigre. We cut the fish loose. We add salt, white pepper, onion, ají limo, cilantro, celery, cumin, and we add lemon zoom with a little of fish soup. And we blend them, use for short time to sift. There we have the leche de tigre. Now that we have the fish flavor, and we add leche de tigre, onion, cilantro, and ají limo, and mix. It's time to serve with lettuce, baked sweet potatoes, toast chulpi corn, cooked corn, and finally we decorate with cilantro and ají limo rings. Well, thank you for your attention. It was a pleasure to share with you this presentation. Have a nice day. See you soon.